You want to get rich, right? But because you are starting from zero, you might think that this journey will be very difficult. But don't worry. Everyone has to start one day from a point. And it is possible to get rich even if you are standing nowhere. Well, in this video, we'll be telling you the 10 tricks that will make you rich easily. Watch the video till the end to get the full information. Now let's start. 1. Get your money mindset in order. A negative outlook on money might throw you in a downward spiral that is difficult to escape. However, if you adopt the mentality of a wealthy person and train yourself to be successful while having few resources, you can break the pattern. If you want more money in your life, one thing you may do is use the concepts of the law of attraction. You should also be aware of your money blockages, which are any erroneous beliefs or unfavorable preconceptions you may have toward money. You may use these affirmations into your money manifesting process on a daily basis to help you cultivate a positive mentality, recondition your mind, generate positive energy, and attract success. 2. Formulate a budget. First and foremost in mastering the art of being rich from nothing is creating a sound financial strategy. Any successful person worth their salt will urge you to create a budget and stick to it, but they also stress the importance of putting your goals and desires first when it comes to your financial strategy. First things first, figure out what you want to accomplish financially. Is your goal to begin saving for retirement, a startup, or that alpine getaway you've always wanted? Separate your long-term objectives from your short-term ones and set separate deadlines for each. Evaluate where you are financially right now. Gather all of your valuable possessions and any debts you may have so you can determine your net worth. Find your money drains and potential revenue streams once you've done your homework and crunched the figures, which may include examining your monthly cash flow. The next step is to create a workable financial plan. You may do this on your own or enlist the aid of a financial counselor or robo-advisor, such as those at Acorns or M1 Finance. Press the subscribe button and also the like button if you want to know the best tricks to earn money. 3. Keep yourself inspired. If you don't have a strong desire to amass riches, you won't be motivated to take the required steps or explore other possibilities. In order to keep yourself inspired, you might make a vision board by covering a huge sheet of paper with pictures, motivational quotations, and your financial goals. Display it in a visible location, like on a window, so you can see it every day. In the long run, and particularly when times go tough, it pays to remain true to your original strategy. In order to maintain your motivation, you should return to this stage at that point. 4. Eliminate debt. A necessary first step on the road to financial independence is paying off all of your obligations. To free up capital for asset accumulation, use a debt payoff plan to eliminate high-interest debt first. Paying off high-interest bills first allows you to put more money toward paying off the principal and less toward interest. This is called the debt avalanche method. Another is the debt snowball method. In this method, there is a possibility that you may lower your debt more quickly by using the debt snowball strategy. This strategy involves paying off lesser bills first, and then moving on to bigger ones. 5. Ask for help. Feeling overwhelmed by your money is something that anybody may experience. There are a lot of potential pitfalls when it comes to money. Debt repayment, investing, homeownership, real estate investing, side hustles, and more are all within your reach. To accomplish your goal, it is recommended that you consult with an experienced financial advisor who can assist you in developing a plan, establishing a budget, and choosing investments. You can be confident that you will make the most prudent financial choices with their assistance. 6. Get your savings going. Any wealthy person you ask will tell you that saving money is the key to being wealthy. You can save even if your income is little. You may still find ways to save costs, even if your budget is tight. Your savings will increase at a rate you can't believe once you make saving a habit. You must put money aside at the beginning of the month for saving. You may also put your money in a high-yield savings account to earn some interest on your monthly savings. You can also aim to invest 10% of your savings in stocks. 7. Get yourself organized. In order to become wealthy, you must learn to manage your funds. With a budget in place, you can control how you spend each and every dollar. To make sure you don't go over your budget while still being able to improve your financial status, you need to choose an appropriate budgeting approach that works for you. Spending less is another way to make your budget work. If you can master the art of cost containment, you can live comfortably within your means. An easy way to cut costs and save money is to make a shopping list. This will help you avoid wasting food. 8. Put your money to work. To get rich from nothing, you must learn to invest your money. To begin building wealth, investing even a little amount of money is possible. If you want to get wealthy quickly, investing is a must. You may still invest and earn money regardless of your financial situation. There are many investment options. You may invest your money in corporate bonds, U.S. Treasury securities, money market funds, certificates of deposit, commodities, balanced mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and other assets. Diversification must be given the top priority while investing. You may diversify your money strategically in those asset classes. 9. Make your business work for your money goals. When compared to a salaried worker, a company owner has more control over their income. To put more money in your pocket, you should make sure you bring home more money by increasing your profits and profitability. Asking how could I do that might help you assess the state of your company right now. Some examples include moving your business online, boosting sales, providing an enticing deal to current customers, or reducing expenses. 10. Find bodies that will back you up. You are said to be an average of the 5 persons you spend the most time with. The problem is that we tend to surround ourselves with negative people who question and are always down on us. Assemble yourself in the company of others who have changed their lives for the better or are well on their way to doing the same. Social media is a fantastic tool for expanding this outside the realm of real life. Read up on travel blogs that cover the places you're interested in seeing if you want to make traveling your full-time job. Finding out how to ask for a raise will help you achieve financial independence. If you want to achieve the same level of success as other entrepreneurs, it would benefit you to observe their practices and strategies. 11. Don't make excuses. Instead of doing the work, if you are always trying to prepare an excuse to get out of that work, then, my friend, you are planning to fail. The rich people are always ready to face challenges. You must be like them. You must habituate yourself to face new situations. If you are lazily sitting and doing any work and thinking that money will come your way by walking, then you are wrong. You will have to work for it and earn it. That's all for today. Now you know all the tricks that will make you rich even if you are starting from zero. These tricks are given by famous millionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, Jeff Bezos, and many more. Follow these tricks if you really want to become a millionaire. All the billionaires used these tricks to become what they are today. You will also become a billionaire one day if you work hard, and that too very strategically. Comment below if you are left with any queries or suggestions. Share this video with all of your friends and colleagues for them to learn. press the like button and also the subscribe button to watch more videos related to earning more money and other financial topics. Thank you for watching the video till here.